Dear Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. In our country, July Carter issue is once upon a time too much problem for social unrest, but now it passed. Though in my party, Bangladesh Awami League, for July Carter issue, I am to say just like if you don't take it otherwise, Excellencies. Beloved people of Bangladesh, today, as we stand together in the moment of reflection and aspiration, I speak to everyone. I speak to every son and daughter of our great nation. We gather in unity, bound of our shared history, our common dreams, and our enduring love for Bangladesh. More than 5 decades ago, our brave ancestors rose with unwavering courage to win the sacred gift of independence. Their blood, sweat, and sacrifice built the foundation of our beloved homeland. We honor them, the martyrs and heroes whose memory lights our path forward. We will never forget Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of our nation, whose vision and leadership gave us independence and hope. His legacy is our guiding star, inspiring all of us to keep building a just, prosperous, and peaceful Bangladesh. Excellencies, today the challenges we face are many. In a changing world, in our own society, but our resolve is stronger than ever. We pledge to rise above all divides, be they ethnic, religious, cultural, or economic. We commit to fostering equality and opportunity for every citizen so that no one is left behind. Excellencies, our government and people must work hard in hand. Our government and people must work hand in hand, inshallah. Rooted in honest courage and respect, together we'll strengthen democracy, uphold justice, and deliver services and support equally to all regions and communities. Excellencies, we envision a Bangladesh, I repeat, we envision a Bangladesh where education uplifts every child, healthcare is accessible to every family, economic opportunity empowers every worker and entrepreneur, and peace and security are assured for all. Let us embrace social harmony as our strength. Let us reject hatred, discrimination, and division. Our unity in diversity is our greatest asset. জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু, জয়। A modern, new, knowledgeable, accountable, responsible, and humanitarian Bangladesh. Thank you so much.